Hello everybody, in this video tutorial we would like to demonstrate how you can unsilence the calls on your iPhone 14 series device. So basically, just take your smartphone and at the left side you'll find this little switch that is located right above the volume rocker. Next, as long as it shows the orange color over here, that means that your phone is currently on the silent mode. So in order for you to unsilence the calls and everything other than calls like notifications and what's not, just put the switch in its default position by toggling it like so. Already. Let me just... As you can see, great success. We have successfully changed the switch position. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.